Wanokala ngithi you.
Sure.
Okay, fine.
Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Polokwane City 0. Kwanakithi?
Yebo.
Yeah.
Kama uTshepo.
Yes.
Sibongo wakantuli. Straight from Mama Melody.
Yes.
First and first, I'm happy you win.
Yeah.
Secondly, I'm happy ukuthi ube la.
Yabo.
Into ebengifuna ukuyigcwalisela kulo Marvel.
Yeah.
Marvel uthe like kumele sin support.
Yeah.
Angithi?
Yebo.
Was this like the biggest podcast efana njengani?
Yeah.
Ayeke sikhuluma manga ama friends wethu.
Yes.
Fine. Siyavuma lapha.
They are our brothers.
Our brothers. Angithi? I was disappointed madlala la si ICAF.
Yeah.
Ama friends wethu bayakuphi?
Bese Orlando.
Hey.
Hey. Ngizwela khalela amasandawana.
Askhar.
Yeah.
Askhar.
Yeah.
Si understand.
Yes.
Chiefs no Pirates bakhulu.
Yeah.
Badlula ngama fans.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe like uba ku Orlando, sorry, we are FNB
Yes.
because of nama followers.
Yes.
But
More views.
More views. Angithi?
Yes. Yes.
But Africa kwenzakalani? Ubani use Africa kwamanje?
Sundowns.
Why ungayi Africa ke? Ayithu ufuna ukukhula.
Yeah.
Ibase like ibase yakho yophelele South Africa.
No, angeke. Angeke kufuna sport.
So why?
Yeah.
Why?
Budget constraints.
Kuno long
Yeah.
we-Sundowns uke wabuza
Yebo.
ukuthi uthe i-team ephezulu eligini
Yebo.
9 times. 9 times.
9 times in a row.
9 times in a row.
Yeah.
Angithi?
Yes.
9 times in a row.
Yeah.
Le team leyo uyibala kuwo Bayern Munich, PSG,
True.
abo Juventus.
True.
9 times straight.
Top class.
Top class.
Yeah.
Ayekho ubone iPirates iChiefs ngiyaba name iPirates
Yeah.
Chiefs. There's never a team who win 4 times in a row.
No, never.
But mina ama podcast
Yeah.
nakuphi?
Orlando, FNP.
Hey.
Ushilo wathi more views.
More views, so nina ngichase ama views
Yeah.
and chase ama stats.
No, we learn along the way because as we are not sponsored, we struggle so much to come here. But I agree 100% with you. And we learn along the way.
You learn.
Today you taught me something.
You learn. And
Yes.
yes. Now.
Yeah.
How many years like if an interduce in Nile? Sometimes you tell you la. How many years?
Many years since Pirates last won in 2012. 2012. Chiefs, I think 2014 or 2016, something like that.
Exactly.
Then all along it's been Sundowns. Yeah.
So how long does it take you to like in Nile?
No, I understand. I won't answer, but I understand. And I've learned as well. I promise you.
It's so true.
I promise you. I will follow your team wherever it goes, where I can afford. Yeah. As we are also a young podcast who started in the making of the season, we are trying so much. Though it's not easy to get from point 1 to point B. So we are also like, let me tell you, Orlando is 3 kilometers from where I stay. You understand? FNB is 6 kilometers away. But that doesn't make it right that we didn't cover CAF, but we struggle, and then we have to, let's see, I can get easily here. But we've learned something, we'll have to hustle more. And we are also calling on sponsors to come along and say, yes, yes,
yes. Like kumnyaka yonke iPirates. Ne? Ike yafika 71 points.
Ama-stats angiwaphethe kodwa ngikhumbule.
Azange afika ku 71 points.
Yes.
Sundowns ifike 71 points 2 times.
Yes.
One of the season idlale 28 games.
Yes.
Adlala nga 30.
Yeah.
So okwamanje
Pirates
ingabe indaba ne-Sundowns
yeah.
mabagijimise ukufika ku 71 points.
Badlala imidlalo yabo.
Yabo. For Sundowns, like Sundowns gonna do their own business.
Yes.
They know.
Yes.
They've been doing this for
many years. 8 years.
8 years.
In a row.
9 years in a row.
Yeah.
They've been doing that.
Yes.
They know how to win the league.
Yes.
In fact, let me say, we know how to win the league.
Yeah.
To win the league, it's simple. You put it like a goal, like a point of funding win for a season. You get to that, like winning.
Yes.
Peter Wash, Guti, it's hard to get to 65.
Yes. Very hard.
Very hard.
Yes.
Get to 60 if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
And then you get to 60, you win the league.
Yeah.
So Pirates 59.
59, yes.
59.
Sundowns 64.
64.
Yeah.
Uyabona?
Yes.
So izinga leSundowns likuphi manje? Alisekho ku60.
Iyakhuphuka unyaka nonyaka.
Alisekho ku60.
Yeah.
Sile.
Yes.
So for bona mabagcoka ingubo ukuthi like asifike ku60
Yeah.
or kusike ku65.
Yes.
Yabo.
Yes.
Mangino Josi.
Yeah.
Angakutshela Josi.
Yeah.
Aretekile afihla ko 71 points.
Hayi zange ebile kasiri.
Yeah. Yeah. No, thank you, my friend.